Hi students, welcome to Engineering Graphics class. ഞാൻ Dr. Vinodkumar, Adjunct Professor in QSAT, Kochi, Kerala. In this video, projection of solids, we are going to draw a square pyramid that is lying on a triangle, on a slant edge on the ground. You know, now the pyramid is standing on its base. Now the pyramid is lying on HP, lying on the ground on the triangular face. Now the pyramid is lying on the ground on a slant edge. The question says a square pyramid is lying on a slant edge with the vertical plane or the plane containing that slant edge and axis is perpendicular to HP and makes that plane is perpendicular to HP and makes 30 degrees to VP. What it means is beta of axis is 30 degrees. The plane, the vertical plane which contains this slant edge and axis, the plane containing the slant edge and axis is vertical and makes 30 degrees to VP. Agreed? That is the question. That is beta of axis is equal to 30 degrees. Now, listen carefully. Beta of axis is 30. What is phi of axis? Phi of axis is less than 30. Phi of axis is less than 30. We don't know how much it is. Now, tell me the angle between the slant edge and VP. It is lying on a slant edge now. What is the angle between the slant edge and VP now? The angle between slant edge and VP is 30 itself. That is, since the slant edge is on HP, the question can be framed in another way also. What is the question? A square pyramid lies on HP on a slant edge which is making 30 degrees to VP. What is making 30 degrees to VP? The slant edge which is lying on HP is making 30 degrees to VP. That question is same as your question. The square pyramid is lying on HP on a slant edge with the plane containing the axis and slant edge is perpendicular to HP and makes 30 degrees to VP. It's the same thing. The question means, in your question, beta of axis is given, but that is nothing but phi of the slant edge. So the question can be framed in two different manners. That is for your information. Okay, now let us draw it. What's the simple position? I am going to draw it by redrawing method. Which is the simple position? A, B, C, D, O, P, A dash, B dash, D dash, C dash, O dash, P dash. Redraw this elevation with this slant edge on the ground. A 1 dash, B 1 dash, D 1 dash, C 1 dash, P 1 dash, O 1 dash. Draw a new plan. A1, B1, C1, D1, P1, O1. Now redraw this. How? O1, P1 which you mark here as O2, P2 has to make 30 degrees. Draw a 30 degree line somewhere. Take this Mark the dimensions. A2, B2, C2, D2, P2, O2. Okay, I simply write 30. Draw vertical projectors up. This is the final elevation. This is the final elevation. The apex is nearer to VP. The base is nearer to the observer. You can keep in the other direction also, so that the base is nearer to VP and the apex is nearer the observer. That way also you can draw. Simple position plan and elevation. This is 40. This is 80. Very simple question, since there are only 4 points. This is P2 dash and this is O2 dash. Since there are only 6 points, you can draw it terribly fast. This will maximum consume about 10 minutes. Even if you adopt the redrawing method, this will hardly take 10 minutes. I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Okay. Please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel and share it among your friends and like it. Okay. Thank you.